SBET stock analysis and SBET stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I am the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, so I have seen what's making me money and what's not. It's all on my YouTube channel. And Sharplink Gaming, all I can tell you is that I'm looking to double down, buy more. Like, people are going to come out here and just overcomplicate stuff, but my most recent prediction was just doubling down on the long side. And guess what happened? Guess what happened? Which obviously the video was made 29th of May, before really something happened there. 29th of May when we really began buying, like. And then all I can tell you is that it was phenomenal. You can see it was like 3 p.m. at the time, previous day. And to say the least, we took it from 35 to pretty much double. And all I can tell you is that I'm looking to double down on this. I do think there is some more juice, but the only way that I'm going to kind of establish that is if I see a double break. And if there's no sort of double break, then I'm not going to be buying. It's definitely simple. I don't know if I have previous receipts here with SBET, but if you do want to, doesn't show, but if you do want to learn how to make it 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.